If you have ever struggled to balance your checkbooks and the number on your bank statement doesn't look good, or you have got your grandma's secret recipe by doing group coaching one-on-one and you want to expand it now, then this video is for you. Today, I am going to dive you into the wonderful world of creating online course that will help you to swim into the cash. And stay till the end of this video because I am going to share you a top secret of creating an online course which will not only make your bank happy but also leave your students and clients saying this is the best course I have taken. Hi there, myself Smruti Palve, the mastermind behind helping countless people just like you to overcome their struggle. Today, I am going to share you the ultimate guide of create an online course which sells and turn your business into profitable business. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Get ready because I am going to invite that creative head of yours to come out and work with me for creating this amazing online course in just few minutes. Step 1. The almighty passion. Unleash your expertise and find the topic that not only set you on the fire but also has your potential students or client drawing for that knowledge. Remember, passion sells, my friend. For example, you are a fitness coach. Now don't create a fitness course that is generic. Instead of that, you can create something like sweating with superwoman. Unleash your inner Wonder Woman workout, which combines fitness and excitement to be a superhero. Do you like it? So I am saying something that is which combines your passion and people want it. So the action step for you is, what is that one small thing that you can help to small group of people and show your way of teaching, styling, and they will get wow. It should include your passion and they want it. Most important point. So if you have a paper, notebook right now, I want you, whatever comes in your mind, at least 5 ideas right now. Pause this video and then start again. Step 2. Map it out. Before you start creating your online course, whatever idea, whatever you want to teach them in that course, take a whiteboard or take a paper, or the most important thing that I teach to my student in online course creation course is take a sticky note. On each sticky note, just write it, your ideas, one idea, then 2 ideas. On one sticky note, one thing, one problem that you are solving. On second sticky note, other thing, other lessons that you want. So in that way, you first get all your ideas from your head on the paper and then organize them the way it should be. Step 4. Engage, engage, engage. Yes, you heard it right. No one likes to listen to a course like a robot. So make it engaging, and there are many different ways to make your course engaging. First, the presentation that you are using should be a professional. Nice color combination, same font style, not too much messy, simple content, one image to explain it. Second, create a templates wherever required so that it becomes easy for them to implement what you are teaching. Third, create a quiz that will help them to see how much they are able to grab what they have learned. And the most important part, what I do in my courses is bring the community together. When multiple people working on the same mission come together and they do that activity together, that makes more engagement towards your course. So you can give them a template, ask them to record a video, share it in the group or share below your video and take a time to give a feedback on it. So the most important thing is engage with your audience. Now for example, you're creating a course which is about public speaking. Now when you're creating a course, you have to see that your presentation is up to mark, your color combination is there. But the most important part, what I would like to do is give them a done for you template. For example, in public speaking, done for you template for introducing yourself. They can just fill the fillers and I will ask them to record that video, put it below the video and ask the fellow members to comment on that video as feedback. And I personally will take a time to give them a feedback. So make the course not robustic but engaging. Now there may be a question, Smruti, but I don't think apart from templates and all that, I'm not able to create more engagement in my course. Don't worry, it's nothing to do only to the activity that you are doing with the course, but giving them a feel that they are learning with you. So you can just do a break dance. Like you can just say, this is a break and let's do the surprise dance and just dance over that video. They will join with you. Even if it is virtual or a pre-recorded course, people will feel you and they will feel like, oh yes, I am right now with Smruti and she and me are dancing. So even if you don't have anything apart from what I said, get it little bit like you have poured your heart in that course. The fifth step is launch like a pro. Once your course is ready, and you are ready to launch it like the superhero is ready to save the day of your prospect and client. Create a killer marketing plan. Use your email list to connect with the previous clients and prospect. Give them announcement. Create an incredible offer. And top of the bonus of that, collaborate with other influencers and promote your course. For example, if you have created a course on personal finance, then you can collaborate with bloggers, Instagram influencers, YouTube influencers and promote your course for early bird offer or limited time offer. Give them a special discount over there and you can also do behind the scenes. You can also do lot of like giving them a little bit preview about how the course is, which will make them understand what you have brought for them on the table. So, are you ready to transform your grandma's secret recipe into that amazing numbers on your bank account? Then yes, I have, as I said in the start of the video, something amazing. I have created the most successful course that my student says, because when I ask them how much you will rate for this program, they say 10 on 10 and the max. I'm so happy about it to introducing to you all. So if you are someone who want to learn how to create online course as quick as fast, go in the market just in 2 weeks and start earning money and make your bank happy, then this link is for you. Thank you for joining for this epic training adventures of how to create an online course. I have done my best to give you in this short period of time how you can go in the market and swim to earn the cash. And if you have liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so whenever my video comes, you get the notification of it. And if you have any questions, please comment below. I personally will reply to you. See you in the next video.